turkey hunting in Warren County. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning, and toms are answering the call. Wait for them to land, and it's getting brighter now. Well, it's 6:19 in the morning. Finally, the turkey came in. It's a tom. Just shot it. There's still good hit in the head shot. Still flopping, but I think it's a good hit. And here's my hen, and this is my Jake decoy. I made my own taxidermy. Back in Illinois, arrived again 11 p.m. last night from Pensacola, Florida, and woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning and got a good setup this morning with my single man blind. You can see it from there. So it's a good successful hunt this morning. Get the head net out. Was awesome this morning. Here is the plastic hen decoy. A close-up view of a Jake decoy. I made a taxidermy. And here's the tom. It's about 21 yards shot, and you can see in the background there's a single man blind, and a decoy, a plastic hen, and a natural Jake that I made a taxidermy. See the trophy. Wow, it's a big turkey. My, it's heavy. It's probably close to 24 pounds. And a spur, get a close-up view of the spur. That's about 1 1/4 inch. And the beard, I would say that is about 11-inch beard. So, wow, this is a good mature tom turkey. Back to the kitchen. It's been a successful hunt this morning, and this first time with spring wild turkey hunt. So it's a 24 pounds tom turkey. So I already cut the breast meat into small pieces and removed the silver lining. And with these small pieces, try to cut it across the grain. And the key for making it tender is to pound the meat into a thin slice. Gonna pound it with a aluminum mallet. So this is a piece of the breast. The silver lining has been removed. And then try to cover it with a plastic wrap to prevent it from splattering. So make it thin. Okay, we'll try one more. Across the grain. See, this is how thin. There's not a lot of fat in a wild turkey. And in general, they're tougher than the domesticated turkey. This is how it should look like. A thin slice ready to marinate with salt and pepper. Continue with the cooking portion. I'll be making Alfredo sauce with the Olive Garden recipe. So we'll start with butter. So we'll melt it in a pan. As soon as it's melting, we're going to be adding garlic. Garlic and butter. Smells really good. Once it's all melted, we're going to be adding the half and half. This is the recipe from Olive Garden. And then whipped cream and Parmesan cheese. 2 eggs. We added onion powder, garlic powder, and salt. And beat it. This is going to be our egg wash. In the egg wash, we'll be putting in the turkey. And then the Parmesan cheese. Coated with Parmesan cheese. Again. Parmesan cheese. Okay. Now we're going to be frying the Parmesan crusted turkey. First, we're going to be putting avocado oil. Then we're going to be adding butter. Parmesan crusted wild turkey. Smells delicious. We're going to be putting the Alfredo sauce. And also we're going to be having this delicious Parmesan crusted wild turkey. Looks great. And put a little parsley on top. Right. So this is Dan's regular pasta. So we're gonna put it in the sauce on top of it. Dan likes a lot of sauce. More sauce. And then some Parmesan crusted wild turkey. Do you want some parsley then? Okay. Zucchini. We're going to be putting a sauce. Alfredo sauce. More, Kitty? More?
That's good.
That's good. Put it here. And then we're gonna put in some Parmesan crusted wild turkey. Wow, that looks really beautiful. That looks really very tasty. All right. Wild turkey. What do you think, Dan?
Good. Very good.
So, well, try the Parmesan crusted wild turkey. We'll see. With mine is angel hair pasta. Wow,
Delicious.
it's great. This is delicious. You should try it. Bye.